how to mention someone in an Instagram story. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have. Also, make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials. We have many playlists for many apps, and let's get started in today's video. Now let's open Instagram and search for it. We're into iOS app, and when the app opens for us, you have two ways to create an Instagram story, either by just directly click on your profile picture on the upper left here on your story and choose the picture that you want, or by clicking on the plus icon here and choose the photo that you want and then click on story here, click on continue. Okay, and now we're creating the story. Now let's create a story. Now we took a picture, and here, as you can see, you can add text or stickers from here, or add some effects from here or filters. So we're gonna now use the text by clicking on the AA icon here, and you can type any text you want, but in order to mention somebody, all you gotta do is just click on the @ here, on the @ letter or the @ symbol, and then type in any name that you want. And now as you can see, you can choose to mention someone from here. Tap on his profile picture. Now this person is mentioned in the story, and when you publish the story, he is going to be notified that you mentioned him in the story. This was very easy and very simple. You just follow the steps and you're gonna mention someone successfully. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.